So, do you like my finger?
Yo! Is that the Skippy cat?
Use this time to warm.
Oh, we got a mic finally.
This is a
Yeah, we had a
warm
mic
up.
all the time. We just was on a call at the time.
Yay! Everyone can talk on our team.
Do-do-do-do.
Not that we always like to.
How did you die from a knife? That's crazy.
I'll shoot behind us.
That was embarrassing.
Oh my
That was
god.
so embarrassing.
Not enough for me.
I'll take. No. Okay.
Mine.
I'll smoke. I'll smoke it. You plant it.
Right, where we going? A or
What were
B?
you smoking?
A or B? A or B? A or B? B?
B.
B,
Hey.
A.
I'm getting confused. I'm getting actually confused. Tunnel. Tino.
Two people go tunnel.
Yo, Tino.
Oh.
No, three people go.
Ah,
I
you
told you,
motherfucker.
You guys are titty.
I see you.
Motherfucker.
There's someone coming.
No. Get him. There you go. It's on your own.
Ah, you done me. Oh, I just see you blew up in front of my eyes.
So
Yeah,
not
I
on P. Bro, I played on P.
Oh, vintage, nearly had it.
Not even on the bro. Oh wait, it's you want to throw it at me?
Alright, let's
got
go.
you.
Let's go.
I got
Running,
boots.
running.
Why am I getting blamed? Ah!
Up.
POV,
It's not get hit with a knife.
POV, where I can just do it. I
Oh, that
brought it up
grenade
in my good god.
Ah, he done me. He done me.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Oh, he done you as well.
Motherfucker.
Yo, someone's level 50.
Yeah, I've been going there as well.
Woo!
Round loss.
Oh, we got Daniel the pigeon.
woo.
Daniel the pigeon.
Round starting.
Oh yeah, Daniel the pigeon.
What are you talking about, bud?
Woo!
Did you say boo?
Woo!
Did you say woohoo?
So,
Woo! Woo!
Oh, grenade!
don't suck me.
Oh,
Yo, I'm doing a silly right now, guys. Guys, look at my body. I'm doing the silly.
Someone
No,
else
he's behind
behind
you.
me.
No, silent.
I faintly saw a little red light.
Ah, you fuck. Oh, Scott, he's going towards that spawn. Two of them by a spawn. Looking
What?
down towards stairs. Two of them, though, be careful.
Stop you! Stop! Stop
Does he go
touching me.
there?
I'll send Drake the file and pedophiles on your way to the house, bro.
Maybe.
Oh, see,
Think
what
of
the
the
move.
car.
Silly.
oh.
Silly.
Ah, he done me.
Mm-hmm.
If you know how to,
That's two
if
left.
they don't know how to interrupt, we're good.
Scan interrupted.
No, they know how to interrupt.
I did my best.
Shimmy ya. Drake, Bawafala. Drake, Bawafala. No. Do this, bro. It's not
One
so
in the
hard.
butt.
It's not so hard.
Caca.
It's Daniel. Bird.
He's a pigeon.
Oh.
Oh, it's the pigeon. What kind of pigeon?
Daniel the pigeon.
Autistic pigeon?
Very
Ugly
sick.
pigeon?
Ah, and go near a spawn. Go near a spawn.
Yeah, we've got 2 around here at the moment. What,
Killed one.
There's 2 at the back right. Vintage. Oh, there is. Ah.
No, scared. It's
I had
scared.
2 nip anyway, I would have died regardless.
No, my Pookie Bear
Round
left.
starting.
Oh,
I only got a single kill yet, I got 4 deaths.
oh
No,
my
not
god.
Daniel again. No, Daniel.
No, Daniel's going.
Fly, Daniel. Be
No,
free.
Daniel. I'm
Be
sorry,
free,
I'm
Daniel.
sorry. Daniel got a
He's
boyfriend
got using
now.
everyone, Chris.
Daniel has a boyfriend.
Be free, Daniel.
Bro, I almost just got you in the body.
Yeah, fuck you.
What's the throwing bombs? So you think it's funny to throw bombs now? And that's a
Fuck you.
special one. It's called the bullet. Bro, wait, pass the artifact. Pass the
What?
artifact.
Oh, I'm going A. Right, he's to your right.
Going in.
No, he's in the bunker and he just slapped me. He's in the bunker though. Hang on, bro.
I was checking the bullet to see like
Starting.
if there was like one more person.
Ah,
I got
my
2
knife.
kills. Ooh.
No. POV, you're blocking your teammate's aim. You're like,
Oh.
well, no, pink your photo too nice, guys. I like it. I love it. I love it.
Oh.
I love it.
Oh.
I'll go first.
Scanner.
He's camping at the like orange container thing.
Oh, fuck off.
It's kind of not fair because it was like 4 against
I guess it. I keep checking, I'm on like 20 millisecond ping, so I've got the best ping on the game.
Guys, I accidentally just swapped team on accident, guys. I
Yay!
accidentally just swapped
Round
teams.
starting. Get ready.
Oh my god, it's just me and you. It's me and you,
Oh,
Dean.
oh, you left.
Me and you,
Oh, fucking
Vintage. Hey, me and you, Vintage. There you go, you have it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Dodging.
Kalima.
Ah,
Kalima.
don't you dare Kalima me. You stay away.
Say crouch as soon as, because they're going to hear you.
Good, I really do.
Nebula killed himself because he knew it was unfair. They're going to go mid.
Scan start.
Look, there's one. You get them stairs, yeah? Ah, mid, Scott. I've wounded him. 2 mid, 2 mid. I got the bloody assist.
Round starting. Get ready.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh,
Hello.
what made you come over our team? Did you realise that we're amazing?
It seemed unfair.
We have cookies.
Ooh, I want cookies. Are they chocolate chip?
Oh,
They
put
are.
the cookie down.
Double chocolate chip.
Oh my god.
Double chocolate chip. What is that milk and white or like?
That's milk and one.
Oh,
Oh, he done me on the left. There's 4 of them. 2 left, 1 mid.
oh fuck! No outlines. Okay, I sold. I did not take my load out.
Ooh, go on, Vintage. Sneaky, sneaky.
Oh, here we.
Silent.
Where is he now? Where are you?
It was mid last time I checked. Have you got the bomb?
No, I got that. No. I'm going to get it now.
Keep running.
don't know if I can hear him.
Scanner recovered. Round
There he is.
Motherfucker! He's fucking behind the box.
We're switching sides.
We win. We win. We're gonna win.
Yes, we're gonna
We're
win.
gonna win.
Do you know
We're gonna
why?
win.
Because we have a Nebula
better.
on our team.
Orion.
I am the Nebula. I am the Nebula. Hello.
The one and only. Ooh, shall I give you two some space? I feel like you've met each other before.
Maybe.
Was you at that bar?
Pistols.
Oh shit. One shot.
Oi, there's a.
Oh wow.
Ooh, wow. He's.
Oh, I got stuck on the fucking wall. Haha.
Round starting.
Fuck me, I was not getting that. I thought there was only one there.
I think Nebula's reconsidering his position here. Swat away the haters. Swat away the haters.
Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I don't have the APC. I'm not gonna sell this round, hopefully.
It was fate for you to come on this team.
I just need to know, do you guys know callouts?
Ah, fuck you. Mid. There you go.
Yeah,
And there's one going
I'm
along
good.
that wall. Back wall to that right hand side, Scott, by the stairs.
Oh, wow. Yeah, he's still there.
Yeah, he's still there. Yeah, it's to the right side of that wall.
He's on the right side of them stairs.
Mm-hmm.
Take that.
1v1, you got this, bro.
Don't put pressure on me. That makes it worse.
Under pressure. Pushing down on me.
Oh my god, made noise. I think he's dead. It's always good to double tap.
Hold on.
Nope.
Come on, war paint.
Looking good. No, you go
Cover
running
me.
head first.
Ah!
Banzai! Random no.
There's a lot of you 30 on A.
Oh, the scanner's just
Yeah,
the other side of this thing.
Oh, it's to your right, it's to your right, it's to your right. Mid. Well, you made sure you.
Ah, where was he? Oh, there he was. Got one though.
Where was he?
I thought he was going to continue around the stairs.
Shit. Oh, fuck, I sold. My audio was at 50%.
Point.
Yeah, you
It's
best
okay,
turn that,
it's okay.
turn that shit up.
We're gonna have a comeback. A massive comeback, trust me.
Ooh, what? Ooh, oh, wow. Massive combat, Jesus Christ. Ooh,
We're gonna win.
See, ain't there a person called Elliot Cumberbatch?
no idea.
That rings a bell.
I think there's one mid. Vintage. If you go for your next right, you get a good flank on B.
Wait, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Gonna come back. Nice. Very good, very nice.
At least let me see the enemy.
Very good.
Point.
Oh, we don't need that arm.
Would appear you stabbed him.
Come on, let's get ourselves in the game. We've only got 4 more rounds to win.
So optimistic.
It's Nebula. He's gave me a spirit.
Just gave you his Nebula.
Oh, 39 health.
Nice.
Had that. He was waiting for me.
Nice. Come on,
He was
let's
waiting
go.
for me.
Let's go.
Match point.
I've got a funny thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yippee.
Alright, I feel like they're gonna go A. Or do you think they're
Oh, there's one in that spawn. Ow. If they were
That's
smart,
wrong.
they'd go in.
Over here.
Right.
Same thing.
Oh. Right, they're definitely on the back. Yep, they're angry.
To my right, Scott.
You didn't. Oh, headshot gone. Yes.
Copy banana.
Where is he?
Mid. Oh, that's spawn.
At back, yeah. So.
That's a shit throw.
Nice.
To my
Easy
right, Scott.
peasy.
Whole way.
Just both at the same time.
He's gonna get
He's
lit
not
up.
Oh.
That's me the one who dies.
It's a sacrifice, a noble sacrifice.
What, him or me?
Whoever's dying.
Him.
I died.
Kill him. Sacrifice. Oh my god! Yeah, they're. I think they're going B again.
Sail away, sail away.
Sail away, blew my damn legs off.
Oh, what a nade.
Oh, go, yes. I think you need backup.
Help me.
Vintage.
Round win.
Oh yes! Come on.
Match point.
Oh,
We got this.
we got this.
I'm just switching it up each time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought I'd jump on a grenade. Switch
They were
out.
trying to plant A as well that time.
Really?
Yeah, they were trying to plant A. The scanner was at A. That's why I was camping around there. So I thought, leave you two up there. Obviously, platoon got
Yeah.
blew up, but yeah.
Fair enough.
Ah! They're pushing it B. One's mid. They're going B right.
Oh, I hear him.
Did you hear him?
Really had-
B right, go on, get. Yes. Oh,
Oh,
no!
fuck. Okay, yeah, there's one on site.
There's two left. There's
Scan started.
two left.
Yeah, they're both on B. One on site.
Defeat.
Oh, he turned around as well.
No.
He turned around as well.
Ah, that was a good
We
comeback.
nearly
Though.
had that.
Good
we nearly
comeback.
had that.
I thought we was gonna die after the first round. That was a good game.
It was an unfortunate loss, though.
It was.
Scan complete.
Complete.
They might have won the match, but I didn't win the war.
It'd be 10 o'clock.
Hell yeah. GG. Oh yes.
10 o'clock.
Oh my god.
You.
Phew.
You.
You. That was a good throw. You see that second game?
I see
I
it
just
go,
looked at it, it went straight round and just went bang. Oh, that was a good throw. GG. 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 Well, farewell.